is Rob. He died of a heroin overdose. Sublime, S-U-B-L-I-M-E. Doesn't sound sublime to me. These are the knobs that you assholes are twisting. K-N-O-B. Those are my knobs. Yeah, those are the head cases. You call them humans. Let's see. Right, has an Antonucci connection? Sure does. And you keep taking my star equipment and twisting my studio and Park Avenue lot. Right, it's T-W-I-S-T. It's W-I-S in the middle. The woman is. Yeah, she's between the two star posts. Fuck you, asshole. That's already the win. I don't need show-off contests with assholes everywhere. I don't really think so. I don't agree with this. Maybe that's why he died. Yeah, but they robbed Sublime. Well, that's why he died. Right. That should have been your clue. We're having problems on the studio lot. Yeah. Do you not get the memo that we try to make this as easy syntax for you good guys to, like, get it the first time and not lose all your friends along the way? Right, Rob was supposed to live and be a rock star, but on a different name. Not robbing the Sublime and bringing her fucking studio lot down, dangerous and twisting head knobs. Right. I don't know why you don't get this fucking easy to, like, there's only one man, one woman, we make it simple. That's why there's only one. And then we get a group of good guys, and we ask them to kill the bad guys. Not to make things into what they think. We don't care what you think. You don't get to think. We think. Me and the class, we think. The rest of you, go do what we need. We think, we tell. That's the way it goes. Why do I have people thinking?